Is your fridge a big hot mess? Well, if so, I have some tips for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some space-saving fridge organization hacks. I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I help families with practical tips, tricks, and tutorials. So, your fridge, it probably is a big old hot mess. So how can we find some space-saving hacks to keep it organized? Well, hack number one is to give every shelf a specific purpose. Now, when you walk into a grocery store, you know that the grocery store is divided up into general categories, right? You have produce, you have dairy, you have deli. Your fridge should be set up the same way. Keep all drinks together, keep all deli items together, keep all breads together if you store breads in the refrigerator. Like me, we're gluten-free, so most of our breads have to be in the refrigerator. Store all produce together. By doing this, you are creating more space inside your fridge so that everything stays organized. Hack number two is use drawers on your shelves if you're limited on space. The drawers that I love using are from the Container Store, and they are perfect for creating drawer space for things like snack food for the kids. I love using it for string cheese and yogurts. That way they are stored on a shelf so they aren't taking up one of our drawers that we use for other items. And it makes it really easy and accessible for the kids. Hack number three is to store all leftover items together in like one shelf or space and store it at eye level. This way you will remember to eat those items. Hack number four is to store your condiments together. Now, most of you are probably like, okay, give me a break on that one. No, I'm serious. In our fridge, we have a deeper fridge and things can get lost in the back. So we use a turntable or Lazy Susan. That doesn't always work if you have a narrow refrigerator. You have to look at your fridge to determine if this would actually work and benefit you. It does for some, it doesn't for others. But storing your condiments together will help immensely so that you can keep everything tidy and you don't have to search for items. Hack number five is for those deep refrigerators. When you have a lot of room and things can get lost in the back, I suggest using bins to keep your stuff together. This will help the kids, this will help you, and this will help things not get lost in the back. Okay, this next hack works amazing because you're gonna do it every single time you go to the grocery store. Ready? And it is declutter your fridge before you put any food in. Okay, when you go to the grocery store, you're going to take all of the items that need to go in the refrigerator out on your counter. Then you're gonna go through your refrigerator before you put anything back so that you can move things up to the front. Like maybe you bought new coffee creamer, but you're not done with the old one yet. Put the new one behind the old one, make a nice little line so that you know which one is new and which one is not. This way, your fridge will stay decluttered always. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.